Alright guys, welcome back. In the previous videos, we learned about variables, arrays and loops. Now today, we are learning JavaScript objects. Objects are one of the most important things in JavaScript. Almost everything in JavaScript is built with objects. Users, products, profiles, settings, APIs, everything. So if you understand objects, JavaScript will finally start making sense. Let's start slowly. An object is a way to group related information together. Let's take a real world example. So we're going to create an object. So a person that has we just create normal variables, right? Person that has name, age, email, country. So all this stuff, these variables, the name, age, email, we can group them into one. And grouping them into one is where we call it an object, a JavaScript object. So let's delete it and create an object. So let's we are creating a variable called user. The equal sign means we are assigning a value to it. The curly brace means this is an object. Inside the object, we write key value pairs. A key is like a label, for example, name. A value is the actual data, for example, piece. Each key and value is separated by a colon. Each pair is separated by a comma. Yes, so name is the key. Yes, let me highlight it. Name is the key and piece is the value. You can think of it like key is question, value is answer. To get data from an object, we use the dot. So write user.name means go inside the user object and give me the value of name. This is the most common way to access object data. And we check it, you can see name, piece, and age is 20. Bracket notation also works. We use it when the key is dynamic or stored in a variable. But for beginners, dot notation is enough. So we check the console and it is the same. The name is there and the email is there. So let's look at ways of modifying an object value. Alright, so here we are updating the age. We go inside the object using dot notation and assign new value. JavaScript allows objects to be mutable, meaning we can change them. And this line adds a brand new key to the object. Objects in JavaScript are flexible. You don't need to define everything at once. You can see the age was updated to 21. Alright, so that's it. Let's delete this. And the delete keyword removes the property completely. After this line, country no longer exists in the object. Alright, so let's delete all of this and write a full object example. Now, this is how objects are used in real applications. Product, user, post, comment, all of them are objects. Frameworks like React, Vue, and even backend APIs depend heavily on objects. If array stores list, object stores details. Arrays mean many items. Object means information about one thing. Most real-world data is represented using objects. So let's recap. What we learned: what is an object, key value pairs, how to create objects, how to access data, how to modify and add properties. Objects are the backbone of JavaScript. Once you understand them, everything else becomes easier. If you understood this, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and follow for more.